Hi there, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. It has some great tips and tricks to make sure you continue ranking on Google. So I pulled up your site, great modern looking site. Wanted to let you know that Google likes to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words of content on the homepage. And in that content, they like to see organic keywords. So I went ahead and pulled you up on a site that we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that we use to see how a website is ranking and compare them to their competitors. As you can see, you have 119 backlinks, 30 referring domains, and 308 organic keywords. Some of these keywords that you are ranking for are national keywords, such as dryer vent repair near me has 2,000 searches a month. Duct cleaning near me has 13,000. So it'd be great to get a few more local keywords for you. Air duct cleaning Atlanta has 150 searches. Atlanta, Georgia has 50 searches. So you're definitely ranking, which is great. I went ahead and pulled up a couple of competitor sites. On this one, you can see some pictures and video as well. And pictures and video can be considered content as long as they are saved, labeled, and applied correctly. If we look at their information, they have 411 backlinks, 157 referring domains, and 619 organic keywords. Looking at some of their organic keywords, it looks like they have some national ranking sites as well. Atlanta mold testing is a great search one too, has 350 searches a month. If that is something you utilize as well, that'd be great to have on yours. Here is another competitor, modern looking website, pictures, that sort of thing. As you can see, they have a ton of backlinks. Now, you don't have as many backlinks, and that is completely okay. Not all backlinks are created equal. You definitely want quality versus quantity. You have 439 referring domains, 193 organic keywords. Again, we look at theirs. They've got some national organic keywords that they're popping up for. Looks like they have some articles and blogs going on, which is great. And the reason I point this out is if we look at Google, now, if you're going to advertise, I highly recommend advertising on Google or Facebook versus Angie's List, Home Advisor, that sort of thing. You get more bang for your buck. This is what we call the map pack. As you can see, you are number one, and you definitely want to keep that. And the reason for that is most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see online. And then in return, that creates more traffic to you. Down here is what we call the organic listings. This is where you want to be. You definitely want to be on the first page. As you can see, you're number 10 down here. So definitely we need to keep you up on the top here. Another way you can do that is through citations. Citations is very tedious and time consuming. However, it's very simple to do. All it is your business name, phone number, and address. And then you place those on different sites such as Yelp, that sort of thing. I hope you found this video beneficial. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could help me out and send me some feedback and let me know some great tips that you took from this video, I'd like to make sure I'm providing value to businesses. Again, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. My phone number is 541-900-1096. Thank you.